How do you say goodbye in French? The word goodbye in French is au revoir, au revoir, which literally means until we see each other again, au revoir. For example, dis au revoir à mon cousin pour moi. Dis au revoir à mon cousin pour moi. Say goodbye to my cousin for me. If you want a more permanent goodbye, then you can use the word adieu. Adieu. This is only ever used as a final goodbye. Adieu. L'école est finie. Adieu les devoirs. L'école est finie. Adieu les devoirs. School is finished. Goodbye to homework. So you can see this is a permanent goodbye. Adieu. But normally, the word for goodbye in French is au revoir. If you want to learn to speak French, you can get my course 3-Minute French by going to www.3minlanguages.com. And if you use the code WELCOME on checkout, you can get a discount. Rooted in meaning. Au revoir literally means until the re-seeing. The verb revoir means to see again or to re-see. Voir is to see, revoir, to see again. So au revoir is not a final farewell, but a hopeful see you again.